Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your profile with Discord, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your profile with Discord, start by opening the Discord app or website. Log into your Discord account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon, known as User Settings. In the User Settings menu, look for the My Account tab on the left sidebar. In the My Account section, locate the verification option. You may see a message prompting you to verify your email. If you haven't verified your email yet, click on the Edit button next to your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. After that, click on the Save button to send a verification email. Check your email inbox for a message from Discord. Open the email and look for the Verify Email button. Click the Verify Email button. Once you are redirected back to Discord, your email should now be verified. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you complete that process as well. To set up two-factor authentication, go back to User Settings. Select the Security tab on the left sidebar. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication using an authentication app or your phone number. Once all steps are completed, you will have successfully verified your Discord profile. You can now enjoy additional features and better security on your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.